Hi there, that's Frank from Dev for Agriculture, Development for Agriculture. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to connect n8n with Ninox, or not how to connect, but how to work with the Ninox node in n8n. Let's get started. Our example is a small construction company that has storage. In the storage, you have inventory, and a worker can also have inventory. So the worker can use stuff. For example, Bruce has 2 shovels, Peter has none. In our storage we currently have 1 shovel bag, and inventory can be shovel or wheelbarrow. The stuff over here doesn't matter. So what did we do? I would like to trigger that a user, let's say Peter, that Peter takes a shovel from the storage. So to do so, that might happen with some app. I decided to use a webhook here just to have a simple way to test that stuff. And this is our node. It looks a bit complex, but we can go through it step by step and I will describe what this does. In general, the upper part here updates the storage. This part here updates the worker or adds a shovel to the worker. And this part down here returns to you if there is still stuff in stock or if we ran out of shovels. So let's just get started. If I start my webhook, I provide 2 parameters to my webhook. Number 1 is the stuff, which is a shovel, and number 2 is our user Peter. If I call that, normally you would here get the result of the full call, but as I only debugged here 1 step, you just get this default stuff. So first thing we do is we read from Ninox all the available inventory. Let's do that. So we have 1 shovel and 4 wheelbarrows. Now we filter for the stuff that we requested in our first call. So we filter the shovel and receive only 1 element back with our ID here. Now, next step, what we want to do is, I can best describe it in here. Currently we have 1 shovel in stock. If you take 1 shovel, there's 0 shovels in stock. So what we do here is we take the field in stock and just decrease it by 1. So 0 shovels in stock. And with that, we can just update our Ninox. Very important to know and to understand. These fields here, there may not be any other fields than are available in the Ninox node. Otherwise, you will fail with an error of 500 or an error of 400. And to know which node we update, we can just use the ID from here. So let me execute that one. And now if I go to inventory, go to storage, you can see there's 0 shovels in stock now. Now, with that, we have updated the storage. But next thing we want to do is we want to assign the shovel to the worker that took it. So, next step, this time we request our list of workers. And we have our 2 workers, Peter and Bruce. And now we filter for the worker. Remember, this user was added as part of the webhook over here. So let's filter for the user. We only have 1 user, name is Peter. Now we prepare a new field. Oh, sorry, there's some broken code here. Sorry about that. Now we create a new field. and add these info to the field. So we add the two fields, just our two IDs of worker and inventory. You might recognize I just stopped the video and added this fields dot, because then it looks like it looks here. It works without the fields as well, but I think it's more straightforward to build the system in the real structure. So if we execute that, we have worker and inventory. Now, if I execute that here, I've created this item. And if I go over to inventory, not inventory, to worker, we select Bruce. No, we select Peter, because here we requested a shovel for Peter. We check Peter, and Peter indeed has a shovel. So that's how the Ninox node works in n8n. And last but not least, we have the result here, where we say, okay, if no shovels are left, or if even there is no shovel, you cannot take one, you get an error message. I can only show this in full execution. So let's just go to our storage. Currently we have, let's say we have one in stock, so that we can take one away. I'll take the test away here because we're running in production now. I'll take that, so all fine. And if I do it again, it says, sorry, put the shovel back because you don't have a shovel. Alright, that's how the Ninox node works in n8n. Hope you enjoy and have a lot of fun with your automations.